Uh-oh. 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 That's not good. You know what? Let's call my mom. My check engine light and VSC light just came on.
Okay.
Would you meet me at Lamp and then take me to work?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
That's super fun. Let's hope I don't die. Maybe I should keep recording, because that'd be really entertaining. Don't panic if you don't see the door open at my normal time period. My car's check engine light and VSC light came on. I'm dropping it at the mechanic, and my mom is taking me to work, period. And it's raining, and I have to be at work. This is a fun experience for me. Okay, let's go. It's wet, so you're gonna get wet probably. My mom, so amazing, 6 in the freaking morning, meeting me at the mechanic to take me to work. Oh, and there's no, like, overhang. I might have to put you away. Okay, I might put you away. Thanks, Mom. Of course. What an adventure. Oh. Anything for you. Anything for you. Battery's dying, friends. So I'm back home already. I was trying to film on my way home all the stuff I was doing, but my battery died on my way to work this morning after the whole car fiasco. So I left work later than I usually do, but no biggie. I have to set a back to work alarm. Don't let me forget to do that. And I grabbed Jimmy John's, and I'm gonna eat that, but I don't want to forget. I really want to clean this toilet, because I cleaned the other toilet the other day in the vlog. And I don't want to forget to vacuum my bedroom, because my bedroom needs to be vacuumed really badly. So I'm gonna leave this right there in front of my face. And then I'm gonna quick rub-a-dub this toilet. Cleaning the mirror first. Put this back in here. Now I kind of have to pee. I was in the bathroom for so long, now I have to pee. The person that's gonna eat lunch with me isn't here yet. So I'm gonna try and vacuum my room right now. My brother's trying to sleep, but he'll get over it. Trying to do this before you got here. You're dropping chips? Brutal. The mystery person is doing their advent calendar.
The toy from the past that brought so much pleasure when cared for quite well can become a great treasure.
Hell yeah. I'm editing. Ta-da! Let's get her done. What up, friends? I ended up finishing the video and getting it, oh, hello, getting it up and out. And then I just watched some Netflix. Nothing really eventful going on over here. I know, we're gonna keep hitting this hard. And I mean, it's working. I'm at work again. Double shift day, baby. Time to work. I'm leaving work. Something's in there. I'm home. Now I'm gonna make a salad thing. Just come recommend it to me. Looks good. I'm intrigued. I like how chopped the lettuce is. I say yes. So I finished that and I'm still a little hungry. So I think I am gonna make ramen. I just don't know if I'll eat it all, which is fine. Yet this year. So it's been a year since I've done this to him. I'm gonna go in and ask him for content. Oh, I'm gonna give you one guess.
Content?
Yeah! What's your favorite villain song?
Be prepared.
I knew the answer.
It is.
It's definitely up there.
It's iconic.
I think Be Prepared and Hellfire are two of the most iconic villain songs for sure.
I also like I've Got Friends on the Other Side.
Yeah. The part where he, like, shakes the hand, and it's like bump, 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 bump. It's the best part of that song. Are you ready?
Are you ready? I didn't know he could sing that well.
Yeah. Well, that song goes off. Christmas food of the day, fruitcake. I'll see you tomorrow.
Fruitcake, fa la la, fudge judge.
Fudge judge.
Who pudding cook off.
Who pudding cook off? Oh man, we need to watch more Christmas movies. It's only the 4th though.
Well, once we bake, we gotta watch the
Yeah,
Grinch.
gotta put it on.
That's a tradition.
Yeah.